Hey guys, today let's learn how to undo the repost over on TikTok. So head on over on TikTok and actually choose a video that you wish to repost. And if ever that you want to repost this specific video, maybe I want to choose this one right here. In order for you to repost your video, all you need to do, guys, is to head on over and all you need to do is just share the video first and actually click on over here onto the share option so that I'll give you the option to repost your video. So click on repost. And now the video has been reposted. So how could you actually undo that repost? All you need to do is to click onto the share button once more. Head on over onto the option where you click repost. And as you can see here, it's a different name now, and then you can actually remove your repost automatically very quickly, and then boom. That is how you redo, or rather, undo your repost on TikTok in no time. Pretty easy. So guys, please comment on below if it worked. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, today, let's learn how to move our contacts from our old phone into our new iPhone, and make sure that you have the iCloud enabled. So basically, all you need to do is turn over onto your iCloud right here and make sure that you have your iCloud enabled. So please make sure that you have your photos on, you have your iCloud backup on as well, and all of these other important stuff to make sure that you have all of those turned on. Because what this does is it's basically going to upload all of your important data, all of your necessities onto the iCloud. Basically, what iCloud is it's just basically like iCloud for your iPhone. As you can see, it's named iCloud, and basically it uploads all of your data onto the cloud of iPhone. And basically, once you head on over and use another iPhone and log in onto the other iPhone that you're on to use, basically your new iPhone, it's automatically going to download all of your past data onto that new iPhone. What you also do is to run over onto General and then head all the way down to transfer or reset your phone. And you could actually head on and transfer your old data by using this feature of iOS. Just click on Get Started, and then all you have to do is to follow all of the instructions and basically head on over and log in your iCloud onto the new phone so that you may head on over and proceed with the transfer of your old data and as well as your contacts. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.